In this video, I'll show you how to add filters to your Instagram stories. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone, then swipe to the left to create a new story. Here, you're going to have two options to add filters to your Instagram stories. Your first option is for you to swipe to the right and play around with the filters that you see. These are going to be the filter suggestions that Instagram gives you. If you want to search for a specific filter, what you will do is swipe all the way to the right until you see this magnifying glass icon. What you will do is tap on it, and here you can search for any filters that you want to use. After you find a filter that you like, you can go ahead and select it. It might take a few seconds to load, and then you can take your picture. And then you're able to post them on your stories. Now, Instagram also has different filters that you can use on your photos. So what you're going to do is take a picture, or you can upload one that you already have. And as you can see, as we swipe to the right, we will unlock different filters that Instagram has. Once you have the filter that you like, your story is ready to be posted. Hope that helps.